Hey everyone, today is 2023's best bronzers. We're just going to start at the beginning. We'll be quick and short and snappy. First one is by Huda Beauty. This is of course a very, very famous product by now. Let me open it for you. It's a cream bronzer slash contour color. Comes in various shades. This one is beautiful. Blends perfect, great for contour. So I love it. Hourglass, this is their ambient bronzer and they're just beautiful, gives a really nice sheen to the skin. Kevin Aucoin, this is of course the classic contour product. Beautiful as a crease color for the eye. Next up we've got NARS, lovely bronzers here. Great product, good amount of product as well. Laura Mercier, these are beautiful, these are the baked. And I just think these are so pretty and delicate and light on the skin. Patrick Ta, these are wonderful. You've got two products, powder and a cream. Just lovely. Really big fan of Patrick Ta, I think it's great. Victoria Beckham, do double bronzers. They are so beautiful. Amazing packaging, just glorious. Sai, however you pronounce it. Cream product here. Let me open it for you. Really pretty, goes on the skin, shears out, multiple colors, just lovely. Another one here, very famous one by Chanel. And this is, I can't open it. Oh, I can't open it. Come on, look at this. There we go, I've opened it. Beautiful product, really nice. It's one of their favorites and it's been a bestseller for a very long time for good reason. $19.99. These are the stick contour products. They work beautifully and they're also ultra sheer. NARS also do a lovely cream one as well, which is quite beautiful. These can all be used as eyeshadows, by the way. Westman Atelier, best packaging in the business. Really pretty, good light coverage. One of my favorites now of all time is a Victoria Beckham, the Stilo. These are great. They just twist up. I like the smaller point on these so you can contour the nose much easier. If you're looking at spending a lot of money and you want to get rid of some, perhaps a month's rent, then Westman Atelier, the smallest bronzer I've ever seen in my life. It is tiny, costs a fortune, but it's very beautiful. It's also sheer. Great one here is by Rose Inc. This is very pretty indeed. And finally, let's end with, there's two more. Almost finally, let's end with Tom Ford, which are these beautiful ones. They're just beautiful, they really are. They're gorgeous. And finally, an oldie, which is the Kim Kardashian one. And this is again, that kind of roll-up product. It's still really good, and I think they did a great job. That's my favorite contour and bronzer products. See you next time. Bye-bye.